Hey guys, this is now episode number 86 of Optimization by Oliver. So I ask one thing of you today. If you're watching this and you enjoy these breakdowns, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. It just lets me know that we should keep providing this free value for you. Thank you so much. Let's jump into this episode. So if you haven't watched this series before, this is where I take a brand that's popular online, a Shopify e-com brand, and I break down what I would do if I was in charge of running A/B tests or experimentation on their store. Just for some context, I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm CEO and co-founder of ConversionWise, and that's what we've been doing for the last 12 years and currently do for 80 plus 7, 8 and 9 figure Shopify brands. So we have a little experience when it comes to this sort of thing. Again, I would always marry qualitative and quantitative data, meaning I would always get things like analytics and post-purchase survey access before making these test hypotheses. But at the moment, we only have access to these guys' store URL, so we do this from a UX UI perspective. For context, I don't work with this brand yet, but I would love to. Today I picked Sneak Energy. It's a energy drink brand, and we actually work with the largest energy drink brand in the States. So I would love to work with these guys as well. First, we start with the homepage test that I would run. So we've just slightly optimized. This is more of a big visual that I would run an above the fold test. We've optimized the above the fold. What have we done? We've chosen a clearer and better headline, in my opinion, but we've supported that with some real nice bullet points with tick marks, but also a real nice sub headline. If you look at the previous page, it's white text on a busy background, it's too wordy, and it's just not going to get read or the point or the value across. So by using these kind of sub headlines or tick marks with small quotes, it really allows us to get the value perception across to the consumer, because this is the first thing people are clearly going to read. Underneath that, we have a full width button that contrasts and stands out. Couple of rules of thumbs when it comes to your CTAs, especially on the homepage. 1, on mobile, make sure they're full width. 2, make sure they're a contrasting color so they actually stand out. And 3, the text or terminology on that CTA, make sure it explains what happens next. Shop energy is fine, but it's a very loose statement. Shop our best sellers is way more powerful, it's clearer, and it's going to get people more so clicking towards your best sellers and collection pages. Underneath, we've just included a simple testimonial with 5 gold stars. And I don't care how big your brand is, social proof works. Another quick tip, if you can utilize a testimonial within this section that handles a common objection of people visiting your store for the first time, that's where the money's made. For example, if people are saying, I didn't purchase the product, or I almost didn't purchase the product because I didn't know how long delivery took, or it's going to take too long, pick a testimonial that says, I was amazed with how fast I got my Sneak Energy. You can gather all this data by setting up post-purchase surveys. Moving on to the product page. First and foremost, we've removed these links underneath the nav bar. We found time and time again that when people are on a product page, typically they're ready to purchase or be pre-sold on purchasing the product. So why would we distract them and take them to other pages? It just doesn't make any sense to me. Get rid of them, get rid of breadcrumbs, and keep people on your page. Secondly, this is a common issue with consumable products that have multiple SKUs where the packaging is quite similar and doesn't clearly stipulate what the packaging or the product is. What I mean by this is if I look at these packaging and I look at multiple SKUs from this store, I can't quickly associate with that product. I don't really know what it is without reading further. So we've added these nice little labels. It's a way to do this. It's a way to clearly say to the customer, this is exactly what the outcome of this product is, and this is what it does, without me having to need to scroll or zoom in on the image. And it's just a nice way of doing it. We've better laid out the pricing and description here. We've done that by having the normal price, the strike through price, and monetary saving inside a label. We've all importantly used much bigger fonts. We then supported it again as we do on the homepage with those tick marks and clear value benefit driven descriptions. We've used a full width add to cart button. We supported that with the secure checkout and payment seals. And in my opinion, this is just convert way better. Lastly, the biggest transformation for me is within their cart page. The cart page, again, tiny fonts in the previous one. It's under optimized. They don't use their real estate enough. So we've added some important elements. We've made more, importantly, of that free shipping prompt that gamifies the in-cart upsells. It's clearer, it's bigger, it's bolder. We'd also go one step further by testing a free gift after you've unlocked the free shipping. We've separated the product and the upsells within cart. We now have clear pricing so people can see exactly what they're purchasing. We have a nice full width checkout now button. And again, I would always do this in the cart and support it with your guarantee and your payment seals to further instill trust when going through this particular page. Hopefully these actionable insights have been insightful for you. If they have, as I said, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you wanted to inquire and have a free discovery call on how ConversionWise can run your experimentation and A/B testing, get in touch with us. It's conversionwise.com, or there'll be a link below the video. I'll see you in the very next one.